Hey Geek, so one of the best things about being in Southeast Asia are the street markets, and more importantly, whenever you find like hidden markets that you didn't know about before, and that's what happened today here in Vientiane, Laos. So I was just driving around and then I see this. This is a street market that was hidden to me, and a lot of time these markets don't open up until later, and I kind of just discovered this, and this is something that's really fun for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and drive around the best I can. It's like little after 6 p.m. over here, so things are popping right now. So I'm just gonna kind of drive through here really slowly, just kind of showing you what's here in the market. So there's like lots of food here, as you can see. There's people walking around, there's people on motorcycles and scooters. And I'm pretty sure this is still really early, but as we go on through the evening, there's gonna be a lot more people, and I thoroughly enjoy these type of markets. And as you can see here, it is just a very nice drive down a what would otherwise be a normal street, but whenever it comes to nighttime, it becomes something different. Something really interesting, and it's pretty awesome. I often just like driving around and discovering these things. And of course, I do have markets that I enjoy coming to over and over. So let me kind of show you how this looks like. And that one goes into the main street. So in a lot of ways, this is probably the end, and the other one is the beginning. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn around. All right, so let's go ahead and take another view, but going back the other way. And you definitely have to be careful when you're driving down through here, because obviously there's families here, there's kids, there's just normal pedestrians coming through, both walking and driving on bikes. But as you can see, here's all the food. There's a lot of food vendors. I absolutely love eating here. And there's so many places like this in Southeast Asia. But it's even better, you know, whenever there are these hidden secrets, and now that I've actually found it, it won't be hidden anymore. So cool. And I guess for anybody who's never seen this, they might, I would say, be pleasantly surprised, or some people it might be shocking. Where it's like, what's all these people doing here? Then they realize there's a whole food market down here. And if you're riding a motorcycle or scooter, that's the easiest way to get around, as you can see here. And then we come back to the main street. Yeah, that was the hidden market right here, or at least now it's not hidden anymore. So yeah, that's just another fun drive down here in Vientiane, Laos. But in most places in Southeast Asia, there are places like this. And so if you are somebody who loves exploring, who loves eating, then, you know, Southeast Asia is definitely one of the best places to do this. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, or any other markets that you've enjoyed finding or discovering, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my travel videos, I will leave a playlist in the description area below, or in the video up here.